To loop background music in Davinci Resolve, select the Edit tab, and in Timeline, as you can see, these two are my video clips and this is my audio track. Now to loop this, we have to select the audio track and press Ctrl C to copy the audio track. Now move your playhead and put it at the end of your audio clip, and then press Ctrl V to paste this audio track in here. Now to adjust your audio first clip and your audio last clip, you can just crop a little bit, just like this. Your last clip, just select and crop a little bit, and then if you have a blank space here, you can just use this playhead to select an area, then use this razor tool to cut, and then select this cutted audio part and press Ctrl C. Again move the playhead and press Ctrl V to paste. Now you can trim the audio just like this a little bit, and that's how you can actually make a background music loop. Thanks for watching.